First exercise. V-sit cross punch. Get ready for the V-sit cross punch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Lean back slightly and lift your legs off the ground to form a V shape with your body. Engage your abs and extend your arms in front of you. Twist your torso to one side and perform a cross punch with the opposite arm. Return to the center and repeat on the other side. Continue alternating punches for the desired number of repetitions. Second exercise. Sitting shoulder. Press toe touch on a padded stool. To perform this exercise, sit on a padded stool with your feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms above your head, palms facing forward. Bend your elbows to lower your hands towards your shoulders. Press your hands back up while simultaneously touching your toes to the floor. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Third exercise. Arm circles. Let's get moving with arm circles. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, arms extended out to the sides at shoulder height. Start by making small forward circles with your arms, gradually increasing the size. Feel the burn in your shoulders and arms. Keep your core engaged and back straight. After 15 seconds, switch directions and circle backward. Maintain controlled movements throughout. This exercise improves shoulder mobility and strengthens the arms. Breathe steadily and finish strong. Fourth exercise. Arm crossover. The arm crossover is a great exercise to target the shoulders, chest, and arms. Start by standing with feet shoulder width apart, arms extended straight in front of you at shoulder height. Open your arms wide, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Then bring your arms back in front of you, crossing them over each other. Focus on keeping your core engaged and controlling the movement. Perform 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. This exercise helps improve shoulder mobility and strengthens the upper body, enhancing both posture and functional movement. Keep your movements slow and deliberate for best results. Fifth exercise. Kneeling back rotation. The kneeling back rotation is an excellent exercise to improve flexibility and aid fat loss by engaging the core and upper body. Begin by kneeling on a mat, keeping your back straight. Place your right hand behind your head and your left arm extended in front. Slowly rotate your torso to the right, opening up your chest towards the ceiling. Then return to the starting position. Perform for 30 seconds on each side. This movement helps increase mobility, engages the core, and promotes calorie burn through controlled movement. Sixth exercise. Sliding leg bird dog. The sliding leg bird dog is an excellent full-body exercise that targets the core, glutes, and shoulders. Start by getting into a tabletop position. with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Place a towel or sliders under each foot. Slowly slide your right leg back while extending your left arm forward, keeping your body straight. Hold for a second, then return to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite side. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, focusing on balance and controlled movement to engage your muscles effectively. Seventh exercise. Ski runners. The ski runner's fat loss workout is designed to torch calories while improving your cardiovascular endurance. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet together and knees slightly bent. Jump from side to side, swinging your arms in opposition to your legs like a skier. Land softly on the balls of your feet and keep your knees bent to absorb the impact. Continue the side-to-side motion for the desired duration or number of repetitions. Last exercise. Hop toe tap. The hop toe tap workout is a dynamic exercise that targets your legs, core, and cardiovascular system. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Hop on one foot, bringing the opposite knee up toward your chest, then quickly tap your toe to the ground in front of you. Alternate between legs, keeping a steady rhythm. This move engages your lower body and challenges your balance while providing an excellent cardio boost. Aim for quick, controlled movements to maximize the burn and improve coordination.